guys, it's Sharon. Welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be very exciting, at least for me, because I will be doing my first ever collaboration video. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And we will be doing the non-dominant hands when applying makeup. Yeah, sounds a little scary to me. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do it. I'm not so sure because as far as I can remember, I haven't done my makeup using my non-dominant hands. So since I always use my right hand to do all the things, and today I will be doing my makeup using my left hand. Oh my gosh, I'm excited, but I'm a little scared at the same time. Yeah, I'm getting a little anxious right now. Oh my gosh. But other than that, I'm so excited, and I wanted to thank sis Ina from Feline Ina V's channel for inviting me to do this collaboration video. And also I would like to thank my other YouTube friends who is doing this collaboration. Also, I would like to thank sis Jim from the Shopaholic channel, and also I would like to thank sis Tresee from the Life Outside Philippines. So better check their channels, guys, if you're interested how their look went using their non-dominant hand. And yeah, so the look that we're going to do for today is something bold and dramatic. So this is the look that we're going to create today. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just hope that I can do it. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do my brows and my wing eyeliner. I'm not so sure about that. Yeah, I think that's it. So if you want to see how this makeup look will turn out, then just keep on watching. So I am zooming you in, and I'm so sorry for this face right now because I'm so tired, and this is the first time that I will be filming at night, and it's kind of a little late. It's almost 11 in the evening. First, I will be using my Pro Conceal from LA Girl as my eyelid primer or eyelid base. Yeah, I always start, by the way, with my eyes whenever I do my makeup. So this is it, guys. This part is so easy for me. Yeah, this is just so easy peasy. You're just applying this. Then you still need more. I think that's it. So I'm just going to set that with this eyeshadow here. So I will be using my left hand. This is my left hand because I have my wedding ring. Yeah, oh my gosh, this is so scary, guys. So I will be taking the shade here. This stage is still bearable to me. I will just be, blending. Oh my gosh, it's not bearable, guys. I cannot blend. Wow. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I'm doing, but it feels so weird blending using your left hand. Using my left hand for me because I am a righty. I use my right hand. Yeah, my dominant hand is my right hand. So I think that's it for now for this transition color. Let's move on to the other side. Oh my gosh, the other side. Wow, crazy. This is so crazy. Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. So, well, let's add a little more. I'm getting scared now. So I will just look again with my picture. So I'll be taking this darker shade again to build the color. Am I too serious? Am I too serious to you guys? Yeah, I don't know, but oh yeah, I don't know. Let's use this other mirror. Oh shucks. Wow, this one looks so unblended. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. I am so tempted right now to use my right hand. I don't know. The struggle is real here, you guys. Oh my gosh. What about my eyebrows? I'm a little worried with my eyebrows and the eyeliner. Yeah. So I need to add a little more here. It's nice to film at night actually because it's so quiet. Unlike during the day, there are a lot of noise going outside. So yeah, what are we having? So now I will be deepening up my outer corner more, and I will be taking this black shade. Yeah, it's black. So yeah, let's define this outer. Wow, oh my gosh, I messed up. I freaking messed up this part. Wow, this is so hard when applying darker color. This is the part where the struggle starts to come. I'm feeling struggle right now. Let's just blend this because this is just too harsh for me. I feel so much struggle here on my left eye. Yeah, so I need to apply a little darker shade here in my inner corners of my eyes. It looks so unblended. It looks so unblended. This one looks better compared to my right eye actually. This one looks horrible. Wow, why are you doing this to me? Sis Ina, Sis Jim, and Sis Tresee. Oh my gosh, this is so stressful. I tell you. This is the goal, you guys. She's doing a dark lip. I think I will not be doing a dark lip. Yeah, since this look is... the eyes is already very dramatic. I think I'm done. Yeah, I'm so done with that part. So I will be using this color sidecar. Yeah, look how weird. I'm holding my brush, guys. I'm using this color sidecar. And applying this onto the center of the lids. Wow. I'm getting so serious. I don't know why, but so I think this is going to be the shadow part. I think I wanted to move on to the next part now. Yeah, I wanted to move on. I think that's done. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. And now I will be moving with my eyeliner. It's so scary. Where's my eyeliner? So I'm using my Fast Show liquid eyeliner. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I can do my eyeliner. Let's try. So I will be starting on this side. Wow. Gosh, I can't do it. My hands so shaking right now, to be honest. Whoa, I need a closer mirror. I think I will be using this one. Yeah. Wow, dosyo ka na. I'm having running now. Dosyo eyeliner. Oh no, oh no. Please bear with me. Eyeliner. So this is our eyeliner. What do you think? Yeah, what do you think? I need to shake my lip. So I'm gonna do the other side again. Oh my gosh. So here we go. This side is much struggle. I need to breathe. I'm not breathing. I'm not breathing, and I'm starting to have. This is what happens to me if I feel so, a little anxious. I started to have running nose. So let's just move on and finish this liner. This eyeliner is fine. I want to move on. I want to move on. So I will be attempting to tight line my upper waterline. Yeah. Let's tight line. Here we go. I think I did it. So proud. Oh my gosh. Let's do the other one. I cannot wait to finish this video. Ouch! 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 Yeah. A little more. That's it. That's it. That's it. Let's move on. So I will be applying mascara. I'm using what's this? CoverGirl Lash Blush mascara. Oh, easy. Because I don't have any lashes, that's why it's easy. My eyeliner looks so weird. This one looks, going up, and this one is like going eh. But yeah, who cares? Who cares? Yeah, I think I'm done with the mascara. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. This part is so easy. So I guess we're done with that. So next would be lashes. I will be using these lashes from Taiwan. I don't know, Taiwan lashes, and this is the number Y66. It's not focusing. Yeah, Y66. I love this one. This is my current favorite lashes. It's so flirty and big, and it's very, very affordable. Yeah. So we will be attempting to apply this into our eyes. So I don't know if this is still going to be counted, but I don't know if I am going to use my left hand to apply the glue. Yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll just use my left hand to apply the glue. Here it is. Let's apply. Oh shucks. Ah, don't be slappy, Sharon, don't be slappy. Oh my gosh, you're just applying the glue. Okay, okay, take it easy. I need more on this side. Wow, this is so uneven. Yeah, whatever. So yeah, OMG, which side is this one? Duh! What the hell? What happened to your lashes? I ruined my lashes, guys. Oh, I don't know. Okay, so this is my lashes. It looks so weird on this side here, on my inner corner. Wow. From afar, it looks okay. But I don't know if you get up close. Looks so weird. I'm starting to get sick. Yeah, I'm applying glue on my other falsie. Falsie. Here's a falsie. Okay. Too much, too much. Too much love will kill you. Wow. Wow. Look. Look what it's done to me. I'll be applying my other lashes now. Wow, this side looks good. I'm impressed. Not so good. Yeah, but this side looks a little better compared to my right eye. Yeah. Okay. So we're done with our lashes. Wow! Congratulations to me! I have completed up to my lashes. Yeah. So now I will be doing my face. Wow, this eyeliner really looks so weird. I'm gonna fix that later. I will be using this one from L'Oreal. I'm starting to lose my voice now. So I think foundation is easy. Yeah. So you're just going to, flap it over your face. And I will be using my Real Techniques complexion sponge to blend this. Wow, it really feels so weird using my left hand doing my makeup. Yeah, I'm not going to do a lot of foundation. So I think I'm done with my blending here, and I need to conceal my eyes. I think I'll just use this one from NYX. So I guess we're done. I think I'm done with my concealer and my foundation. So now I will going to be applying powder onto my face. I'm using my Nichido, my final powder in Ivory Glow. I'm so happy that I already passed doing my eyeliner and my lashes. Now I need to wear on my eyebrow. Oh gosh. And I will just be doing a little contour to my nose because my nose needs some love. Wow, this made my nose bigger. I think I ruined my nose. Ooh, the show. Yeah, so I guess we're done with the nose. So I'll be using my NYC bronzer. Yeah, I don't know. I forgot. Insani. Yeah. This chubby face. I'm getting chubbier, guys, every day. I always eat a lot. And I don't exercise anymore. We're done with the contour. And then I wanted to highlight my face. Highlighter, where are you? Oh, where are you? Yeah, you're there. But first, I'm going to apply blush. Yeah, before I move on. Yeah. Oh, this is easy. See? Do I look like a clown now? Woohoo! So I'm doing MAC Soft Ochre, my favorite highlighter. And yeah, I wanted to finish this, but I don't know if I'm going to finish this. See? Wow, so pretty. This is such a pretty highlight. Oh, highlighter. Highlighter is so easy. So I'm gonna apply a little here, and my chin. So we're done, and whoa, this is the scare part. I need to do my brows now, guys. So yeah, fingers crossed. Oh my god, this is such all over the place. Wow. It wanted to go curvy, and oh, I don't want to be Ronald McDonald, bro. So please, why is it that it doesn't want to go straight? My hand wants to go like this, like that. This is the weirdest brow I've ever seen. Yeah, I cannot even blend. Don't tell me that I'm going to mess up with your eyebrow mascara. Please don't, because this eyebrow looks so weird already. So yeah, I think we're done. So I will just finishing my lower lash line. I don't see how the lower lash line looks, but I assume that it's the same exact color as the upper lid. So I will just be highlighting the inner corner, and I will be using Sand mascara. I struggle to applying mascara on my lower lash line, so expect me to struggle more using my left hand. So I think I'm done with my mascara, and I need to remove that dot. So now we're almost done. We're almost done, and I'm going to apply lip liner. Okay, I'm not too crazy with, lip liner. I am not crazy with overdrawing my lips, so this is easy for me. So now it's time for the lipstick. I will be using Blankety from MAC. This is a very, very pretty nude color. So we're done! We're done! We're finally done! Oh my gosh, and my battery is blinking already. So this is my look, guys. What do you think? I'm a little impressed with myself. Yeah, because at first I really did not believe that I could do my makeup using my left hand. I didn't really expected that I could do my makeup using my left hand, and it's not so bad, right? I hope it's not so bad. Let's do a little close up. Close up. Yeah. So this is our final. So what do you think? Did I pass or something, or I don't know, but for me it looks pretty decent actually. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for it. I did it! Yay! Yes, I did it. So yeah, I'm so happy, and I think I'm done with this challenge, and I'm so happy. Like I always say, I'm always keep on repeating myself, I'm so happy, but I am really, really happy that I did it, and I did it pretty well. So that's it for this video, guys. I really did enjoy doing this one, and I'm so happy that Sis Ina, Sis Tresee, and Sis Jim invited me to do this collaboration video, because it's a really, really exciting video, and I really did enjoy it so much. So don't forget to check out my friend's YouTube channel doing also this collaboration video using our non-dominant hands. And yeah, Sis Ina's channel, her channel is Feline Ina V, and Sis Jim's channel, YouTube channel, the Cebuan Shopaholic, and of course don't forget Sis Tresee's channel, Life Outside Philippines. So yeah, I do really hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this, and also don't forget to, of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather it makes you a better you. So I hope to see you in my next video, guys, and I love you always.